Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to securely delete iMovie library on your Mac. If your Mac is running low on storage, your iMovie library could be taking up more space than you realize. Video projects, imported clips, rendered files, and backups can quickly grow into several gigabytes over time. Therefore, deleting an unused iMovie library is a simple way to free up storage and keep your Mac perfectly organized. So whether you no longer need old projects or want a fresh start, removing an iMovie library only takes a few minutes when done correctly. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the System Settings app on your Mac. After that, you have to choose the General option located in the left sidebar. And then you have to select the Storage option on the right. After that, you have to hit the Info button next to Documents. Then you have to choose the File Browser tab. And then you have to choose the Movies option. Then you have to find the iMovie library and select it. And finally, you have to hit Move to Trash button and confirm the action when prompted. And that's about it. Deleting an iMovie library on a macOS device is an effective way to reclaim storage space and remove old video projects you no longer need. Before deleting anything, make sure you have backed up important movies or edited projects you may want later. Once removed, your Mac will have more free space for apps, media, and future editing work. Regularly cleaning unused iMovie libraries can also keep your system running smoothly and clutter-free. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy macOS feature, make the most of it in order to keep the clutter at a fair distance, and I'll catch you up in the next one.